Hello everybody from Walt Disney World's Bay Lake Tower. Today we're going to be doing a room tour of our DVC 1-bedroom villa on the 7th floor with the lake view. So let's go check it out. And alright, here we are at room 7710. Let's head on inside. As we enter through the front door, we have some Mickey art right in front of us. We're going to go to the right. That is an adjoining room right there. Closet space as soon as you enter, with a couple hangers. From the closet, we have the front door. We have the first bathroom. You can see. Hello everybody. You got your hair dryer, your extra toilet paper, your hand soap, and your body lotion. 3 mirrors, all your towels, and a full-size tub with the best soaps, the H2O products right there, and more additional towels right there. From the first bathroom, we turn to the right and we go right into laundry. There is a washer and dryer combo here. It comes with a little bottle of soap. From the laundry, we turn to the left for climate control. And then we move into the main living area, which is got your full-size couch, L-shaped, a big table. It looks like you got Space Mountain art on the background there. Very large TV, more drawers for storage and clothes. We'll head outside in just a minute where we have that great view. This is a pull-out chair. So if you pull out the cushions, right here you can see it is a pull-out additional bed. So that's pretty awesome. Lighting, more chairs, table with your service phone, and then another pull-out couch. So down there, another couch. So plenty of bedding in here for everybody. And then if you need more storage and more blankets and pillows, it's in the footrest. From the footrest, we move into the kitchen. As you can see, a very nice island here with your ice bucket. And then in the island, you have cutting boards, glass trays, more paper towels. You have your can openers and all your silverware and your utensils you need for all of your cooking needs. Moving on to a full-size oven here. You can see there is a microwave right above it. And over here, a large storage rack that pulls out. Up in the cupboard, you can see we have plates. They are glass plates. Those are triangle shaped, very cool. And coffee mugs for your coffee, and provided Joffrey's coffee here. There you go. Your sugars and creams, coasters, oven mitts, full dishwasher. So you can see full dishwasher. Toaster. Up here you have all your glasses. There's a lot of different types. Are these? Those are plastic, those are glass. Alright, so those are the only 2 plastic cups in here. There are some paper cups in here as well for your coffee. Down below that, you have some more paper towels and your sink, which is where below the sink is your trash and recycle. And from the sink, you have all your needs to wash everything for, so dishwasher soap, cooktop soap, and then of course hand soap right there to do all your cooking needs. And then a full-size fridge, which is really nice for long extended stays. And then of course measuring cup and everything else you need. From the kitchen, we're going to head now in through the hallway into the bedroom. We're going to start off here in the master bath. As you can see, a large vanity with more soap. And then down here is your hair dryer. Another hand towel there. Another nice mirror. Hello. And a jetted tub, so this is really nice. Sat in one of these before. More H2O products available. From the tub, we turn around now, go into where the toilet is. You can see toilet, trash can, towels, beautiful art, and a full-size stand-up shower with rainfall shower head, ledge right there, and of course, even more H2O products available. From the stand-up shower, we move out to the main bath area, where you can see I open the door and now I can watch TV from the tub, or I can see into my bedroom. Out here, there's another bench seat right here. You can see they have more storage, and then more dressers and your remote. And from that, you have a nice desk or workstation here. As you can see, it has multiple outlets. We have 3 of them there. Turning around now, chair, a whole wall of outlets right behind that table. Now the bed's a pretty good size bed. It looks like a king size bed there. And it's soft, but I think it's a pillow top because the rest of it's really firm. So it's a firm bed with a pillow top on it. But huge bed, more art back there. You can see Goof. And another phone and another table. And for outlets on this side, they're down here, right below where the tub is. And now we head over here to where the safe is. So there is a safe in the room. It's so the main laundry is right there. You walk down that hall. Right behind the door, you have a safe, a luggage rack. You got your ironing board and your iron, and more coat hangers. From the closet, we're gonna go to the best part of the room, which is the view. We gotta go check out the lake view. Now this is the view from inside the room. As you can see, we have a pretty good lake view, but this room also has the view of Cinderella's castle and Magic Kingdom. So we come out here on the patio. As you can see, there are 2 chairs and a table. This is our view from below our room. Again, great lake view. And then you have some basketball right there, and then again, Magic Kingdom is right there. We got Space Mountain, Cinderella Castle. We'll be able to watch the fireworks right from this room. This room is super awesome. I'm so excited to stay here tonight. I hope I was able to answer all the questions you might have about the room. If I was not able to, go down in the comment section below and go ahead and let me know if I missed anything, and I'll try to answer it the best as possible. Otherwise than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's room tour. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing more room tours in the very near future. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.